first video with Cooking with the Morons. And that was so cheesy. So like and subscribe.
We're making some cinnamon rolls.
Well, like if you like the video
and subscribe.
But if you don't like it, don't do anything. So have a good day.
We're making cinnamon rolls. And
so we're making cinnamon rolls. We'll probably be doing a video every day this week because, you know, yeah. So we have a pan.
Wait, I have to preheat it.
Hit it, Fergie. Can I go turn music on or something? She knows she bad, but she can if she good. She's from New York with a buggy in the hood. I have a question. Can you take a picture while you're recording?
Yeah. You're taking pictures of this time.
Who wants to see her? And she's like 1 year old.
That one's not 1 year old, but okay.
This is in 4th grade. Who wants to see her in 4th grade?
Who wants to see me in 5th grade?
Who wants to see her in 5th grade? Straight from New York with a buggy, no hair.
And then now with my red hair.
And then me with no pictures because I don't live at this house. But
yes,
I do for 1 whole week.
No.
Sucker.
Yeah, remember, you're moving in with us, but your stuff is still extra.
Oh yeah, but 2 months. But not 2 months, I meant 2 weeks. I'm retarded. 2 weeks. I'm counting.
That's a moron move.
That's a moron move.
Look at my crack.
We need to keep this.
Ow!
Alright, come on.
Slim Jim. Slim Jim.
Is that what we're supposed to do? No, don't Slim Jim it.
Ooh. You want to eat one raw?
No.
They're good raw. No joke. No
One
doubt.
of them. Just we can eat one of them.
I eat like.
We can split one of them. Oh, look, let's eat this one. But the friggin' hard part. You're gonna get sick if you eat it raw.
I haven't got sick eating them raw.
What?
I haven't got sick eating them raw.
Here,
They're really chewy though.
Ew, fucking disgusting. Straight from New York with that buggy, no
I'm only
hood.
cooking half of them.
Probably because it's old.
Yeah.
I want some. Oh, wrong way.
Okay. We have to wait until this goes off.
By the way, guys, these are like expired. So, we might get sick doing this. Know that she bad, but she claims that she's good. Straight from New York with the boogie, no hood. I don't think that's how the song goes, but whatever. You know what else we can make? Ow! Croissants. We're gonna make croissants. I mean, it's literally by June 2nd. What's the worst? We're gonna throw up and get food poisoning.
No. Let's make this.
But that was by May. I meant March. That was March, Randy. That's too old.
Bitch, she did that.
Yeah, so.
Let's eat these.
Ew. No, that was old.
October.
When? This year?
Yeah.
I don't like no.
Not yellow.
Alright, so we're also going to be making.
No, we're not making croissant.
It has blood on it.
It's not blood, but okay.
It is.
It's not blood.
She's from New York with a boogie. We can buy more cooking stuff when we go to the store. Okay? Oh, look at this!
The caramel apple.
She's from New York with a boogie, no hood. Oh, look at this. It's protein stuff. Can I have orange juice?
Sure.
Okay, where's your cups?
I'll be rude. They're in the confectioner. Off in.
Okay, you want to see what they're in?
to see my pretty puppy.
So here, they're in now. Cooking. Ow.
Come on. This is my puppy.
So this is her little puppy, Charlotte.
She gets me hugs.
What's
Hugs
up,
and kisses.
sexy? Ow!
Oh, you shit.
Can I use this one? Can I use this?
Yeah.
So this is my cup that I'm using to make myself some orange juice while not making orange juice. It just humps my butt.
Ow!
Or should I have fruit? No, I want oranges.
Oh, I got
Guys,
this.
we're back with another epi, and he's gonna eat it. Get it off the floor.
She's gonna eat it. You gotta learn.
Stop. We're back to another epi with the OJ. The OJ.
Ooh.
She's pretending my butt is a credit card scanner thinger. What the heck? It has rust on it. Never mind.
Oh my god, you're.
I have OCD. I don't know what that had to do with OCD, but whatever. What's the cup that she ate?
But this freaking lid.
Fucking dumbass. Ow, that hurt.
You put it in the
Oh,
sink.
I want the shit one.
I gotta find a lid to it.
Where is it?
I
Oh, that's bad, but you can. We can use this, right?
don't know. No, nothing. Here's the Dunkin' Donut lid. The Dunkin' Donut cup.
Okay. Well, give me it.
That's the Dunkin' Donut cup.
Yeah, I know that. Dum. I can't find the lid. Ah, it burned myself in the oven.
That's why we're cooking with morons.
That's part of the morons. OJ in Dunkin' Donuts cups. Doesn't get much.
I'm surprised everybody go add my snap. It's Serenity Coop. And if you don't know how to spell it, SERENIDYCOOP.
Add my snap too. DLiz 2008. If you don't know how to spell that, it's DEELIZ 2008. Hit me up, JK.
I drink orange juice in that cup all the time. What do you think we should name our YouTube channel?
Right,
Like, morons?
Cooking with morons.
No, because we won't do all cooking videos.
Just be like
Best friends with morons,
moronic best friends.
or moron family,
Yeah, the moron fam. Please stop more people.
like Briella. He's the
Never-
biggest moron out of all of us.
I'm Beverly.
Beverly, and my boyfriend.
It's not even dumb.
I don't have
Just
to point.
overprotective.
I'm playing with slime. I'm a moron. So, comment if you like my hair.
Comment if you like my hair. Mine is wet, but you know. Do you think I would look good with red hair? Comment down below.
I think.
Not
she
red
would.
hair, but like red ends. I wouldn't do my whole head red. Would I?
No.
You know that she bad, but she ain't. You know that she bad, but she couldn't. She good. She's New York with a buggy in the hood.
Oh, and my name is Serenity, and
my name is Delaney.
Or intro should be I say, hey, it's Delaney, and you say, hey, it's Serenity, and we say back today.
You say, hey, it's Delaney.
Yeah, and you say, hey, it's Serenity, and then we say,
Psych, and then we switch spots like this. And then we go, hey, it's Delaney.
hey, it's Serenity.
And you're back with the Moron Fam. And then we say, if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe. And if you don't like it, don't do anything. And have a good day. And say, let's get into the video. From New York with that buggy. Sorry guys, we're like planning everything. Okay, let's just see what
Check the stuff.
Oh, your hair. What? No, this isn't from this. This is an old shirt. That's why I use it for pajamas. It used to be really nice. Is it done yet? No, it has 11 minutes. They're not even fully cooked. Knock it off, dingbat. It's
Don't
part
call
of
me a dingbat.
Can I call you a moron? Because this is like.
Charlotte Marie, what you looking at?
Hold on. on, y'all. I just took it off the charger.
We're looking at the tweakers.
Ow! I'm trying to show them outside. This is what it looks like. We left it a mess. Oh, that's your babish. Moronic friend. Wanna always drop it like it's hot. Ow, you just kicked my butt. Oh, I have a good idea. Hey, you're gonna break your phone.
Well, it would be your phone.
Okay, I meant your vlog cam. Oh, this is better. Alright, now we can see it's better, but we don't have any way to charge it, so I'm gonna have to put it back up. I know, it's sad. What's wrong way? Okay, so back to what I was saying. We need to like put it somewhere better. Okay, up here is good. Right? This is better. Oh, it was just at 11:11. No, she vanished.
No. Okay,
Guys, ready? You see me? And don't.
you
You see me?
Now you don't.
Safety.
You see her? I burned myself.
Cooking with morons.
Ow, they're a red mark. Touch this right here.
No, it's
We're
hot.
good. It's this right here.
No, it's Randy. Randy, I'm not joking. Stop.
Hermione.
Billy! Billy G.
We are tweakers. Tweakers!
You're working with the lady. Ah! No! No. No, what are you doing? Ow. Later we're gonna do doing makeup with morons. Stop it. Stop it. Alright, get off it. Oh my god, it's on big turn. Your hair's pretty.
I know.
Hi, Shar Shar. No, Shar Shar. Go, Shar Shar! Eat Shar Shar.
her.
What's up, take a lick? Come here. Whose is this? Whose is this?
Mine. I gotta do something.
God, it's your babbage.
You might want to cover your nose and stuff. It's not so good.
You can't smell it. But I can smell the cooking. Guys, it's gonna be so good. Believe me.
Smell it.
Oh, ready?
What did that notification say? Probably said
It was for YouTube.